The competition between the United States and the Soviet Union sparked some of the greatest innovations and technological developments in history. The space race is considered to have begun in 1955. That year, both the United States and the Soviet Union made announcements just a few days apart that they would launch an artificial satellite into Earth's orbit within the next 2 to 3 years. The Russians were the first to achieve their goal. The Soviet satellite Sputnik was launched on October 4, 1957. With the Soviet Union's success, America was no longer the undoubted world leader in innovation. This situation, called the Sputnik crisis, led President Dwight Eisenhower to give more military importance to winning the space race and spend a bigger budget on space research and development. In 1961, Russia achieved another first by putting an actual human into orbit, Yuri Gagarin. Not to be outdone, the United States soon trumped the Soviet Union's crowning achievement. As announced by Kennedy,
"And no nation which expects to be the leader of other nations can expect to stay behind in this race for space."
The United States was the first country to land on the moon on July 20, 1969. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first human beings to set foot on another celestial body. The Soviet Union never managed to catch up before its collapse in 1991. Not just content with the moon, both superpowers also wanted to explore the rest of the solar system. So unmanned probes were sent to visit the solar system's other planets and moons. The most successful of these probes, Voyagers 1 and 2, were launched in 1977. Together, the probes have done flybys of Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune. Back on Earth, the Russians proved that humans could live in space for months at a time by sending a number of space stations into orbit. And in 1998, the International Space Station was launched, and it continues to operate today.